Over the past few months, I've talked a lot about a project called Meme Combat. It's a rapidly growing crypto project that combines the worlds of memes with the world of gaming, and especially since we're entering a bull market, we've seen prices rally. We're seeing a lot of money getting into the crypto space. The things that I think are going to do the best are gaming projects, meme coins, some smaller cap altcoins. So today's really the last chance to get involved in this project, Meme Combat. We've talked about it in countless videos, but it's the last chance to get involved because right now they are almost at their full $8 million raise. They have a goal of raising $8 million. Right now they're at $7.2 million. And just in the last month alone, they've raised an additional like $2 million. So this pre-sale is almost completely sold out. You would still go ahead and buy it with ETH, USDT, BNB, just directly connecting your wallet, but it's really almost over. So the thing I want to talk about with this project and why I want to bring it up again is because we've talked about it in countless videos. I've invested in it multiple times, and there's a few main things that stand out about it and why I think it could be the next Axie Infinity, the next Essential, and the next major crypto project in the gaming and meme coin space. So first of which is that this project is a gaming platform designed for not only gaming enthusiasts, but also those people who are interested in meme coins. And one of the strongest sectors of the crypto market historically is meme coins. If you look at meme coins, their communities are always the strongest. You always see the valuations increase faster than any other sector of the market. And especially during bull markets, you see these projects' valuations go really just parabolic. So when you're looking at Meme Combat, it combines all the best aspects of the gaming space and the meme coin space. When you're looking at it, a few things that they talk about is that it is going to have season 1. And in season 1 of the game, they're going to have 11 different memes, all fighting to be number 1. And over time, the thing that I like about this project is it doesn't revolve around one meme coin. It doesn't matter if Dogecoin succeeds or Shiba Inu succeeds or Pepe, or it doesn't matter Floki. It doesn't matter which meme coin succeeds long term, or for that matter, if they're even around. It doesn't matter at all, because ultimately they just play on the fact that meme coins are always going to exist, and in season 1 they're going to pick 11 different memes to compete. Season 2 they can pick other memes to compete. Season 3, 4, and so on forever. They can continuously look at what's going on in the market, what memes are the most popular, and use those characters for their games. So that's something that I really like about this project, is because they're not reliant on any one meme coin doing well long term. They're just reliant on the fact that people are always going to like meme coins. And if you think people are always going to like gaming and people are always going to be interested in meme coins in crypto, well, this is a project that you definitely should invest in, because it checks off both those boxes, and that is why I personally did invest in it. When you scroll back up a little bit, you can see they do talk about their audit. That's something that's always important, and we haven't touched on this in previous videos, but their audit was completed back in October of 2023, and there were no major issues. This was done by CoinSource. You can see they have no major issues with the smart contract, which again is something that you definitely want to see for any meme coin, any new project, any pre-sale that you're investing in. Other thing I do want to touch on is going to be with social media, because with social media, this project has grown very rapidly and seen a lot of engagement on social media. Over on X, they have around 16,000 followers, and they've been growing and posting all the time. So they've been growing very rapidly and getting a lot of engagement with all of their posts. You can see they get a lot of likes, retweets, comments just on all of their posts. Recently, they even had a major purchase where someone purchased $17,700, almost $18,000 of MK tokens in the pre-sale, and this is just something that's exciting to see, exciting to share with the community, because it proves the fact that it's not just smaller amounts and smaller people getting involved in this project, but also there's a lot of bigger purchases from some whale accounts getting involved in this meme coin. Last few things I do want to go over with this project are going to be, when you scroll down a little bit, you can see how they talk about some aspects of tokenomics. So right now there's around 30 million MK tokens staked, which is 79% of MK. You get around an APY of 129%. The total rewards have been paid out are right around 6.1 million MK tokens to a total of 9,800 stakers. This is something that's really important because it shows you the diversity of the project in the sense that a lot of people who get involved are staking their tokens. They're generating that high APY. It's getting paid out, and they almost surpassed that 10,000 staker mark, which is a huge, huge mark for a project. Other thing in terms of tokenomics are going to be the actual token breakdown, because you can see with the token breakdown that 50% are allocated to the pre-sale, 30% to staking and battle rewards, 10% to DEX, and 10% to community rewards. The thing I like about this is that the community is really heavily involved early on. It's a very much community-driven project, and this is proven by the fact that they have 50% of the supply allocated to the pre-sale. 30% is going to be towards staking and battle rewards, and 10% to community rewards. So a total of 40% is towards some sort of rewards, whether that's battle rewards, staking, or community rewards. And the reason why I like that, we see this massive percent going towards rewards, is again, that also is showing long-term belief in the project and incentivizing their investors and people who are involved in the project. It incentivizes everyone to continually participate, stake their tokens, and be part of the ecosystem long term. And that's something that is very, very important, that they allocated this large portion of tokens for different types of rewards. And obviously that 10% for DEX, like we said, that's important because that helps ensure that you can get listed on some, major platforms, major exchanges, potentially even centralized exchanges long term. Last few things I do want to go over is going to be where they talk about their roadmap. I have had a few questions about this in previous videos because their roadmap starts off talking about Q3 of 2023, and it said how they were going to be having their pre-sale fill out a bit sooner. But remember, this was just a tentative roadmap. Roadmaps aren't guaranteed. But the thing is that you can see they talk about the platform actually launching in Q1 of 2024. So these timelines are hesitant timelines. That's what a roadmap is. It's what they plan on doing. And because of the fact that the market was a bit slower and we didn't see them fully be able to raise their entire pre-sale, some of these timelines got shifted a little bit. So right now you can see that Q1 of 2024 is where they're planning on launching the platform. It says depending on the completed sellout of the pre-sale, the platform launch is planned for first quarter 2024. And now that we look like we're just about complete with the pre-sale, this is looking a lot more likely. Then they talk about season 1, where we're going to see the first 11 memes. That's going to be like the first round of the game officially launching, and there's going to be different aspects with battling features, leaderboards, the platform officially launching, and then after season 1, we're going to see season 2, and so on. So like I said, the thing that I really, really like about this project is not only is it a meme token, but it's not reliant on just memes or just games. It's combining the best aspects of both of these communities in the crypto space and capitalizing on them. Last thing that's important to go over is just going to be with the team. You can see that they have a pretty developed team in terms of an extensive team in terms of their experience. You could see Matt Whiteman. He's the project lead and founder. The thing I like about this is that you can see all of his information on LinkedIn. This isn't something that you see with a lot of meme coins or a lot of new games. A lot of the time, the team remains anonymous, but with Meme Combat, you could see all the information about their founder just over on LinkedIn, and that's something that I definitely like to see for new projects, having that transparency for some of the people behind the project. So right now, this project still is in its pre-sale. It is just about over, so really it's your last chance to get involved. It's like the last video I'll probably do on this project before it is launched, and this is a token that I'm very excited about because I have been involved in it. I did buy some tokens back where they had less than $100,000 raised, and I'm extremely bullish on it long term.